Hey folks, Justin here with Moonshot 23. This video is from October 16th. It is the live video that I took, and I stop it periodically just to point out a few things that I will investigate further sometime down the line. I find this very impressive. This video is a little longer than I usually make, but I very much encourage you to wait till the last 2.5 minutes of this video, because it has one of my most impressive finds that I have found so far. So here we will start with the live video, and I hope you enjoy.
And what do we have here coming out of this big black spot? Now to me, folks, that's a big pipe. That's a huge pipe.
So what we're looking at here, I put a red line above the pipe I'm talking about and an arrow at the symmetry.
Pipe that goes up, goes right back into the lunar surface. I just don't feel, I'd like to check that stuff out right there. Little symmetry right there. Some fairly big shadows.
This one is a little tough to see, but I'll point it out anyways.
We're on the phase line, or what I call the phase line. I don't know what the right terminology is. I'm an amateur. But let's get back over here. Let me kick this speed up here for a sec. Let's jump back over in here so we can see some stuff. So those craters, you can see, guys, I give pretty close. I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is 100 miles, 50 miles above the surface. I'm not sure. If somebody could educate me, man, I would love to have some education on how far you think I am above the surface. But I mean, feel free to stop the video, take a look. This is actually a 6mm lens attached to a 2x barlow. Oh, it's kind of a little square area right there. I might have to go back and check out.
The square area here is pretty clear to see. The other one is pretty tough to see.
I just don't like symmetry on the moon. It just shouldn't be a whole lot of squareness. But
here we are just pointing out a very odd shadow.
The main reason I wanted to put this up is just so you guys could get an idea of how close I am to the craters when I start looking for stuff. Get right up there pretty close. Pretty close. Interesting.
This is just an odd looking black thing that is elevated. I don't really know what the hell this is.
Right here too. Yeah, definitely got to check this out. I don't know what that is, but 5 minutes 27 seconds. Look at the straight edge up the right hand side. Possibly another Moon Johnson down there.
Moon Johnson is just lack of a better term. Something that sticks up in the air with a shadow underneath.
On the right. Man, I gotta know what that is. Have to know what that is. Now we're getting pretty close over here to where the phase of the moon is. Right. Let's kind of roll down through here. You never know what's gonna jump up out of a crater, or what you're gonna see.
This anomaly I did not see when I was recording, but I wish I did, because to me it's clearly something elevated above the surface with a shadow underneath it. pretty disappointed I didn't see this while shooting.
I look at a lot of video, I take a lot of video, I take a lot of pictures. Um, you know, definitely have to put some time into it if, oh, you're gonna find some anomalies like that thing right there. And God's holy name is that. Oh, jeez. 637. Definitely be taking a look at that. Wow. 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 Oh, cool.
This is one of my favorite finds that I have found so far. I absolutely love it. I don't know what it is, but it is a phenomenal picture of a great anomaly.
A lot of stuff. And it takes a long time, guys. You got to look at a lot of video, look at a lot of pictures before your eyes will even start to accept or adjust to stuff on the moon. It really takes some time. Some people look at the pictures and are just like, oh my God, what is that? Just a big mess. Um, you have to look at it.
I hope you enjoyed the live video from October 16th. As always, please like, share, and subscribe on your way out. Thank you very much.